Jamaica College took the double in the ISSA Urban Area Youth Football Competitions after beating rivals Kingston College in the Under-14 and Under-16 finals at the Stadium East Field on Wednesday.
A showdown was expected between the colleges, and it lived up to expectation. Jamaica College were already celebrating a title before claiming the Under-16 Burger King title with a 2-1 win over Kingston College. The Old Hope Road-based school was off to a fast start, with Tevin Savage giving them a 12th minute lead. It stayed that way until 4 minutes into full-time stoppage time, when Emmanuel Donalds put more daylight between the teams as he made it 2-0. KC were given a lifeline by Davian Clark 2 minutes later as he cut the deficit, which turned out to be a consolation. JC ended the game with 10 players as substitute Aiden Excel picked up a second yellow card on the stroke of full time. They, however, hung on to lift the title.
In terms of the game itself, in winning this game, we did our homework on Kingston College, and based on what we did against them the last game, I thought they would have come and do the same thing, and they were thinking about us. We were never thinking about them.
I think the game, though, we dominated the game, created numerous opportunities, and we just didn't make use of them, and that cost us the game.
Earlier, Jamaica College beat Kingston College 4-3 on penalties to lift the Under-14 crown. Kingston College went into the game as the favourites and were in front in the 46th minute, thanks to Owain Furtado's opener. But Jamaica College hit 5 minutes later through Namar Francis to pull level, thus sending the game to penalties. From the spot, JC missed their first 2 kicks, but roared back for a 4-3 win and the title.
Honestly, I would have to give KC props because they came out and fight. My team, Jamaica College, we did not came out here to lay down and dive.
Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.